Tribuners, here are 5 top news today about Russia and Ukraine conflict, September 11, 2022. Number 1. Russian troops that operate near Balaklia and Izium to be redeployed for reinforcement at Donetsk direction in order to reach pre-established objectives of special military operation.
Russian troops that operate near Balaklia and Izium are to be redeployed for reinforcement at Donetsk direction in order to reach pre-established objectives of the special military operation. With this purpose, the Izium-Balaklia group of troops had been redeployed to the Donetsk People's Republic within 72 hours. Various deceptive and demonstrative maneuvers had been carried out, marking real action of the troops within the above-mentioned operation. The enemy had been under powerful fire attacks with the involvement of aviation, missile troops and artillery for preventing any damage to Russian troops. Over 2,000 Ukrainian.
Number 2. Servicemen of Izium-Balaklia group of troops show their courage and bravery while conducting intense combats against armed force of Ukraine units. Footage of Solntsepyak heavy flamethrower systems and 2 S-19 Msta artillery systems in combat action. Number 3. High-precision armament of Russian aerospace forces has neutralized the headquarters of 5th National Guard Brigade, the provisional bases of the units from 92nd Mechanized Brigade and Kraken Nationalist Group deployed near Balaklia and Chugayev Kharkiv region, as well as the command post of 54th Mechanized Brigade deployed near Ray-Alexandrovka, Donetsk People's Republic. Number 4. Russian Defense Ministry has published footage of Western Military District Msta B-152 howitzer crews destroying armed force of Ukraine armored vehicles and fortified positions. Number 5. Russia lost in Balaklia, Colonel General Alexander Syrsky said next targets are Kupiansk and Izium. Russian troops lost in Balaklia, the armed force of Ukraine advanced in Kharkiv region and recaptured one big city. The town of Balaklia, Kharkiv region, is liberated by Ukrainian troops. The commander of Ukrainian land forces, hero of Ukraine, Colonel General Alexander Syrsky is leading the Ukrainian offensive in this sector. The Ukrainian flag has been raised in the town center.
Прапор. Ми сьогодні завершуємо крапку звільнення Балаклії, першого великого міста. Під час нашого наступу, і я впевнений в тому, що це не останнє місце. У нас попереду Куп'янськ, який вже наполовину взятий нашими військами, попереду Ізюм, ну і багато інших. Тому сьогодні офіційно ставимо крапку зачистки цього міста і піднімаємо наш державний прапор. Церемонії підняття державного прапору приступити.
Прапор підняти!